How to get the best Fandango discount promo codes. Want to score cheaper movie tickets? Here's how to find and use the best Fandango promo codes. So start by checking trusted coupon websites such as Retail Me Not, Coupon Follow, and Groupon. So on this website, you'd be able to find different deals which you can actually avail on Fandango. So as you can see, you'll find the description of the deal at the left side, and then at the right side, you'd find this get deal or show code button. So by clicking on the show code button, you'd be able to get the code that you can use to apply the specific coupon. Now, once you have your coupon, go ahead and head back to Fandango, sign up for Fandango's newsletter. New subscribers usually get 50% off instantly, plus alerts for seasonal promotions. You can also look for discounted Fandango gift cards on sites like Amazon. You can save up to 25% and stack that with promo codes. When buying tickets, enter your promo code at checkout. Make sure the discount applies before completing your purchase. Fandango runs seasonal promotions during big movie releases and holidays. This can add extra discounts on top of codes. And that is how you can get the best Fandango discount promo codes.